Hey art friends, today we're going to draw a really cute alpaca. I hope you're really excited to follow along with me. We're using our markers to draw and color with, but you could use whatever you have, crayons or even colored pencils. All right, let's get started. Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's first draw our alpaca's face over here on the left. We're gonna draw a little nose, and I'm gonna draw it this big. And then we can draw the mouth coming down and to the left and also to the right. And then let's draw the eyes. We can draw a circle on the left and also on the right. And then we can draw the little highlight in each eye to make them shiny by drawing a small circle and then coloring in the big circle. Okay, now let's draw the head. And we're gonna draw a lot of popcorn lines or little bumpy lines. So we're gonna start down here for the chin, and we're gonna draw it coming around the side of the left side of the head. And then we're gonna come up over the top. we could stop here and then let's draw one ear. And then we could draw another ear on the other side. But we'll just draw it smaller and a little off to the left so that it's behind the forehead. And then we can imagine this line coming behind this ear, going behind this ear and continuing down. So I'm going to draw this popcorn head. And then, now we can draw the body. We're going to draw the neck coming down. So we're going to draw even more bumpy lines. And some of them I'm drawing big and some are small. So now we're going to start curving under for the chest. And we could draw the first leg down here. Let's draw it curving down. And let's continue and we'll curve around to the other side. So just a letter U. And then down here we could draw the hooves or the hoof coming down and back up. So another smaller letter U and then a line right down the middle. Okay, let's make it 3D by drawing the other leg. And we're only drawing part of it. So we're going to draw, looks like a backwards letter J. And then we could draw the hoof down below and a line down the middle. There we go. There's the two front legs. Now we can draw the rest of the belly, continuing. And we'll just draw a short couple bumps. And then we can draw the back leg. So let's draw, we could add one little bump and then the letter U, just like we did for the front legs. Going back up. And then let's draw the hoof down here. And then also a line down the middle. Okay, and then let's add that fourth leg over here. We're going to draw a backwards letter J. And we're only drawing part of the leg since it's behind the other leg and the hoof. Since we're repeating the same steps, I'm going a little faster. Okay, there's our four legs. Now we need to draw the neck coming down just a little. So we can draw maybe two bumps. And then we're going to draw the back curving around and coming into the back leg. So we'll start here, add those bumps, and then we'll start curving and into the leg. And then we could also draw a little puffy tail. We're going to draw a little popcorn tail, just like we did for the head. And we did it! We finished drawing our alpaca, except we still need to color it. This part will fast forward, but at the end you could pause the video to match my same coloring. You could also add a background to finish your drawing. I hope you'll take time to color your drawings too. It looks so much better all colored in and with a little extra things in the background. But you could add even more things and change your drawing to be different. Finish the whole background or even add extra things, maybe a little backpack or a hat. And I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me. Remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than mine. I'm sure they turned out awesome. The most important thing is to have fun and practice. And we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.